Is restoring a classic car really worth it? Restoring a classic is like bringing history back to life. Whether it's a 1965 Mustang or a 1972 Camaro, these cars have stories, and restoring them is a way of keeping those stories alive. For many, it's also about personal enjoyment. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of seeing a car transform from a heap of rust to a shining masterpiece. And let's not forget the pride of driving something you've poured your heart and soul into. So when is restoring a classic car actually worth it? Here are a few scenarios where it makes total sense. Passion. If you're passionate about cars and enjoy the process, the experience alone can be worth it. Rarity. Restoring a rare or iconic model can be a great investment if it's done right. Sentimental value. Maybe it's your dad's old car or the one you dreamed about as a kid. That kind of emotional connection is priceless. And let's not forget the potential increase in value. While not every restoration will make you a profit, some classics are worth big bucks once they're fully restored. But hey, restoring isn't always sunshine and chrome polish. There are times when it might not be worth it. Let's talk about those. First, the cost. Restoration can get very expensive. We're talking parts, tools, labor, and more. And if the car isn't rare or in demand, you might spend way more than it's worth. Then there's the time commitment. Restorations can take months, even years. If you're not ready for that kind of patience and dedication, it might feel more like a chore than a passion project. Lack of skills. If you're not confident in your abilities, you'll need professional help, which can be costly. Emotional burnout. It's easy to get emotionally attached and overspend, especially if you're chasing perfection. So, if you're considering restoring a car, it's important to be realistic about what you're getting into. All right, let's say you're ready to dive into a restoration. How can you make the most of it? Here are my top tips. First, start small. Choose a project that matches your budget and skill level. Something manageable will keep you motivated. Second, do your research. Know the car's value, availability of parts, and common challenges. The more you know, the fewer surprises you'll face.